Welcome to our video on 5 tips to become a successful content writer. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your craft, these tips will help you create engaging and effective content. Tip number 1 is to develop a strong writing style. Your writing style should be unique, consistent, and easy to understand. Take the time to learn the rules of grammar and punctuation, and always strive to improve your craft. Tip number 2 is to understand your audience. Before you start writing, it's important to know who you are writing for. Consider their interests, needs, and pain points, and tailor your content to meet those needs. Tip number 3 is to research your topics thoroughly. Having a strong understanding of your topic is essential for creating accurate and informative content. Take the time to research and gather information from credible sources. Tip number 4 is to use images, videos, and multimedia. Adding these elements to your content can help to make it more engaging and visually appealing. And finally, tip number 5 is to promote your content. Once it's published, share it on social media. Reach out to influencers and use other tactics to help it reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have helped you to improve your content writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's a way to learn and improve.